Hi, my name's Theodore. I'm going to tell you a little bit about the custom theater project that we did with Livewire. We watch a lot of movies, and it's kind of expensive to go to the movies every week. There was some space in our basement which was not finished, and we decided we would think about converting that into a home theater. We had to decide based on the space how many levels of seating that we could do, and we also knew that we wanted to have sort of a countertop/bar area in the back so there could be a place where people could sit and eat. That took a lot of planning, and Livewire helped us a lot. Andre did a great job of coming back with me with different renderings of what the space would look like, and he would kind of show us the best place to put the speakers and the screen and some subwoofer, etc. He did a really good job of planning it out so that it would work out perfectly for the space that we had. Well, we wanted to have a really good sound quality because we watch a lot of action films. When I talked to Andre, we were also trying to decide on whether to do a projector or a TV. After going back and forth, he suggested that a really high resolution TV would be better as far as picture quality, and we wouldn't have to worry about people casting shadows on the screen. We like the look of the panels. It has more of a professional feel to it. When we have the sound going and a movie's going, when somebody screams on the screen, it sounds like somebody actually is screaming. But at the same time, the sound stays mainly within that space because we do have a guest room above the theater and you can hardly hear that sound. I think it's a really nice way to use space that was not very well utilized in the house, and we've turned it into something that's really aesthetically very nice, but very functional as well. We love watching movies, and now we have the best possible experience at home. We can have friends over and enjoy the movie with them. They want to make excuses to come over and watch movies with us. We have a lot more friends now.